Thanks for tuning into SU Midel today. Well, as you can see, we've got ourselves a little pre-war HV2, and this is off a 1933 Morris Cowley. It came into the shop. Interesting story. The gentleman that owns this car bought it when he was 17 years old, and he's now in his 80s, so a long time to own a vehicle, and he's right in the middle of restoring the vehicle back to original glory. So we've been given the job to restore this carburetor back to new, and that's what we've done. And just to run through, the carburetor arrived, it was in really poor state. As you can see, this float lid was all completely broken and just in unrepairable state. The suction chamber and piston were seized, and the piston had actually, virtually being Mazak material, had crumbled, so we've managed to adapt a later model piston which cut a new keyway for the side keyway, and with these floats, as you can see, it's a bottom feed float, so the needle, that's the actual needle that runs all the way through, and so the needle and seat is actually in the bottom of the float here. So all new toggles, we've kept the original float because that looked okay. New toggles, redress the pin, so and recut the seat. The hold-up bolt had some other bolt put in, and it was a fairly horrible thread, so we've re-threaded the body for the new hold-up bolt. All the choke linkage has been all resized and repaired. New jet and the original eye jet that was period at the time are available again. All new brass suction chamber screws, new suction chamber damper there. Swinging it around to have a look, the body was also out around, and some of these earlier HV2s in brass have a thinner flange, so the flange was distorted, so we've rebored the body, cut a new disc, obviously bushed it, new shaft, resized the original throttle lever and stop, but as you can see, this has come back to almost brand new condition, and rearing to go back to the owner to be refitted and tuned up, and hopefully many more years of happy motoring. But yeah, this one's come up a treat. It looks great, and the most important thing, it'll work well. So thank you for watching today. If you've got any questions, feel free to shoot them through, but enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.